Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to complete the input photo quest in the Winter Fashionwave Journal for the Winter 4 season. In this Winter 4 season update, there is a weekly quest that asks you on the fashion activity like this, and then just tap on the Winter Fashionwave memory, this one, and then in this quest list you will see a weekly quest that asks you to input a photo into a Fashionwave memory journal, this one. So to complete this quest, first just open your backpack like this, and then just look for the Fashionwave memory journal, this one, this item. Just click on it. You usually get this journal automatically when you start the winter season quest, and then next just tap on the edit, this one, like this. And then after that just tap on select image over here, for example like this. And then in here all the photos that you have taken before will appear over here like this, and then just simply choose the photo that you want to add. For example, I want to choose this one, and then after that just click on confirm. And then next, you can also add stickers by tap on this area like this, and then just choose sticker that you want, and then just tap on confirm again, and you're done. And then you can also add more photos if you want, so feel free to be creative with your journal. And after that just simply tap go back to save it, and then after that your quest will be complete like this. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.